and welcome to the Teacher's Lounge. This is the cozy corner of my channel where we talk about teaching in the performing arts. My name is Bradley J, and I have been a teacher in a high school classroom setting as well as a theater department in the university level. And we're here today to talk about one concept that I use almost on a daily basis, and that is whole, piece, whole. This is an idea that students need to be able to see the big picture in order to understand the small thing that you are working on. The easiest way that we can demonstrate this is to think about a Lego set. If you played with Legos as a child or yesterday, you know that a lot of the sets that you have now come with instructions, but more than anything, they come with a picture of what the final product is going to look like. So think about a Lego set. Steps 1 through 30 might not look anything like the final product. And so if you didn't have an idea of what you were building, whether it was a forest hideout or Hogwarts castle, you might be a little bit frustrated, or you might be a little confused how and why you were doing things. Now, this concept shows up in the performing arts oftentimes as running something, regardless of what mistakes they might be making, and then starting to work on it. In a theater setting, it might be rehearsing a full scene, even throughout some mistakes, or sometimes even throughout a full act. In a choral or a band setting, this might be running a whole movement or running a whole section. This doesn't always have to be experiential. Sometimes in a visual or an auditory manner, if students are listening to the entirety of a piece or listening to a whole song, that might also give them the information that they need to be successful. Talk to me in the comments section if this is a concept that you use, or if you have your own take on whole, piece, whole. If you have any questions that you would like to bring to the Teacher's Lounge, I encourage you to put them in the comments below, and as always, make it a great day.